Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let's dive into a paint by numbers world using liebeart.de products. This is really cool because this is paint by number or painting by numbers kits. These are self-contained painting sets designed to facilitate painting a pre-designed image. They generally included brushes, tabs of paint with numbered labels, and a canvas printed with borders and numbers. The user selects the color corresponding to one of the numbers, then we uses it to fill in a delineated section of the canvas in a manner similar to a coloring book. And if you need it, you can buy a frame included. At LiebeArt, they offer a wide range of styles covering over 200 themes in more than 10,000 pattern designs. And they are constantly updating the products. Whether we are interested in classic landscapes, modern abstract art, or lively animals, with LiebeArt, we are guaranteed to find the perfect motive for our creative developments. And LiebeArt is suited for all ages, groups, and levels of experience. Whether we are a beginner or an experienced artist, these paint by numbers kits offer a rich selection of motifs and difficult levels. From child-friendly design to more complex masterpieces, LiebeArt can offer different groups the right option for us. And we turn our personal memories and favorites pictures into a unique work of art with the paint by number sets. Whether it's a personal portrait, a pet portrait, or any other photo, we can just upload it. And the brand will perform the rest for us. We dive into the world of painting by numbers and discover the fun and profound meaning that this creative activity can offer. The paint by numbers process is more than just following numbers. It is a therapeutic journey that will help us to forget the stress of everyday life. And this paint by numbers set comes in an attractive packaging box, and it's perfect for personal use or as a gift. Each set contains all the necessary materials for a smooth start, from high quality canvas to safe colors to detailed instruction. The sets have been designed to not only look beautiful, but also it is easy to create, easy to use. With over 10 years of experience in the industry, they have developed a deep understanding of the needs and the expectation of us customers. They are proud to offer us not only high quality kits, but also an outstanding service. Benefit from fast and free shipping, secure payment processing, and other money-back guarantees that ensures the satisfaction for us. LiebeArt offers a larger selection of colors and frame size to help us to find the perfect kit for us. And then we are ready. After a bunch of colors, of course. Maybe you will take the 48 colors. This is the detailed shot, of course. But also you can use not so detailed pictures. That's possible too. That means nearly every picture which you like to use comes with 24 colors, or 36, or 48, or 49. So you can choose what difficult level you like to have or on your canvas. Or the dimensions. You can choose between 50 to 40 centimeter, 65 to 50, 75 to 60, 90 to 70, 100 to 80, or 120 to 90. In this case here, I think it was 100 to 80. But you can choose what your difficult level will be. You can take it with a frame or without a wood frame. You can choose how you like to perform this. it is really easy. It is a masterpiece, not only for yourself, but also a nice thing for your kids. It's easy to paint. The paint by number set is so easy to handle. Each area of the canvas is numbered in correspondence to our color. We follow these numbers. We paint the numbers and complete the picture. Really cool. This is DIY painting by numbers, suitable for all levels of difficulty. It reduces the stress and promotes concentration by distracting from the screen and electronics. An educational toy to improve the coordination skills. And healthy materials, high quality safe acrylic paints, non-toxic, odorless, and environmentally friendly. The colors are naturally shiny. The oil screen with high resolution pressure does not fade easily and does not tire the eyes. And it improves the relationship. We spend high quality time with our family and creates an impressive work of an art together. And it's a best gift. We improve the practical skills and aesthetic value. Perfect as a gift for friends, family, adults, or children. So, you see, this is for nearly everyone out there. This is LibreArt Paint by Numbers Kit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.